guys, it's a nervous trek here and welcome to our home port, Norfolk, Virginia.
I just want to see how much you would spend.
So we're in the Waterside parking garage, and we're gonna head through this cool little bus tunnel and go check out Waterside. So you can see right down that way. It's where the cruise ship's gonna leave from. Alright guys, so this is a really easy thing you can do when you come to the Port of Norfolk. It's something that you can do. This is inside Waterside. So there is a Guy Fieri smokehouse, there's Stripers, you have Blue Moon's Tap House, there's lots of drink options, lots of food options. You have the Harbor Club, restrooms are upstairs if you're looking. And we're gonna walk downstairs and check everything out. Alright guys, so about 2 blocks over from the cruise port, we have the Hilton, we have the Marriott. One of our favorite restaurants is actually in that Hilton, so we'll take you to Granby, the rooftop bar, and then we're going to walk you around a little bit of downtown Norfolk, check out some food, check out some sights. Follow us for this journey. Emergency cruise honk. Hey guys, so welcome to the Half Moon Cruise and Celebration Center. This is where the Carnival Magic docks from. It's normally there for about 3 or 4 months out of the year. We actually just took the first cruise out of Norfolk for the first time in 2 years on the Carnival Magic. You guys may have seen some reviews from that. We will give you some more tips and advice about dealing with the Norfolk cruise port.
Norfolk.
Norfolk. I was thinking Nautic. Norfolk. What does that mean?
Norfolk.
Norfolk. Also, comment down below. How do you say Norfolk?
If you say folk, you're wrong.
Yeah, it's what? It's Norfolk.
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 Comment down below. How do you say Norfolk?
Or Norfolk.
Or Norfolk. Norfolk's a big one too. We hear a lot. So yeah, this is the main home for the Carnival Magic. It's actually the biggest ship that sailed out of this port. And then the only other way to get to Norfolk is, I believe it's a Norwegian cruise. They port here and you have a port day in Norfolk. So again, we're gonna walk you around, show you some fun things to do. We'll get into our details about our cruise out of here. Let's just say it hasn't been the easiest.
The waters were rough.
The waters were rough.
And we weren't on
we were still on dry land. Parking is going to be at the Cedar Grove parking lot. It's about a 10-minute drive from here. It's $15 a day. They have a shuttle that will actually bring you here. Again, if you've seen any of the news reports, you will see that there were quite a few break-ins, and between Carnival and the city of Norfolk, they didn't really handle it. So
there are other options available.
We're going to show you a few of the parking garages, a few of the hotels. We're going to take you to the Hilton. We'll walk you by the Marriott. Those are cruise, park, and go, so you can leave your car there. It's included as one price. But yeah, this is about it. It's not that big. If you're used to like Port of Miami or Port Canaveral, it's nothing compared to that size. But it does its job for us. It got us to the Bahamas without having us take a flight somewhere.
So there's a damn battleship taking up the other port.
Yeah. So right behind us is actually Nauticus. I don't know a whole lot about Nauticus, do you?
Yeah.
Are you gonna tell him? Okay.
It's about naval history and,
Is it battleships?
well, yeah. It's where they got the Wisconsin. The Wisconsin.
Yeah, the USS Wisconsin?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll walk you over there. We'll show you that. Comment down below. Have you guys been to Norfolk before? Or when you see cruises that sail out of Norfolk, are you like, where the hell is Norfolk?
And how stinky is it?
It's a little
Is
stinky.
it as stinky as Ashley?
No, it's stinkier than Zach.
Yeah, it's Ashley.
No, Zach is the stinkiest of all time. So another cool thing we can do in Norfolk, we have all of these mermaid statues everywhere. They're all hand painted, they're all handcrafted, and they all represent a different area of where you are. So that's something cool you can do is walk around and find all the different mermaids. All right, $15.95 for adults, $11.50 plus tax gets you Nauticus and Battle Wisconsin ship. Oh boy. Yo, I was trying to say Battleship Wisconsin.
It says it's that way. What is red there?
Alright guys, so if you are cruising out of Norfolk, you're gonna fly into Norfolk International if you're not driving in. That's about, what, a 20-minute drive, Zach?
Yeah.
20-minute ride from here. There are hotels there that do the cruise and park as well, but I highly recommend coming down to downtown Norfolk, taking this little walk. We're gonna take you guys to Pagoda from here and see.
So the cruise port is actually on the other side of the Wisconsin over there. If you want to see a cool little local treasure,
Zach.
it's over here.
Welcome to the Pagoda. An idea that we had while we were walking through the Pagoda, there was a cool little taco van right in front of Nauticus, right near the cruise port. A great thing to do would be grab a taco from there, head over here, and enjoy this beautiful, quiet environment, eat your tacos, and have a good time. Maybe put a White Claw into a to-go cup container. It always helps. Let's go check out this mermaid statue. Oh, there's all the horns as well. Found it. Mermaid count, number 3. Nervous Trekker food trip. Nope. Nervous Trekker food tip. Luce. Cannot go wrong. 5 out of 5 stars. Get a reservation early. I would take you in there, but I know we can't get a reservation right now. 5 out of 5 food stars. 7? 5? It might be 4. I don't know.
So we're going to top floor, numero 5.
Really cool.
It's super rad. It's fun. Hold on. Okay guys, so once you're at the Hilton on Main, they do have quite a few restaurants. You have Varia, you have Saltine. We just took you to Grain. You're gonna come out of the lobby entrance and then you're gonna hang a right and you'll start walking down Granby Street, as Zach is so kindly pointing out to you. So this is Granby. This is basically the hub of, yeah, cruise port's right over there. So we're gonna walk you guys down Granby Street to Jack Brown's Burger Joint. It's one of our favorite low-key spots, very small. You'll see it, and then we're gonna take you to Circuit Social. It's a cool little video game bar, and then we're calling it a day in Norfolk. Enjoy. We'll update you.
311.
Guys, so we are here at Circuit Social. This is a fun little place on Granby Street. Lots of video games. You can see there are a lot of people playing skee ball. Basically, you buy a card, you put as much money on it as you want, and then they have a free pouring beer system. So you pay per ounce here. You get to pick which one you want. You pay per ounce, and then at the end you go and you're good to go. So we're just gonna walk you around here, have a good time. You know, Zach and I are going to have a giant skee ball tournament, and we'll keep you updated. We both know who the winner is. It's gonna be me. All right, so we are at Circuit Social. These are pour your own beer taps. I know it's hard. It's not gonna like focus in. I guess it will. So you pour your own beer here. You start a tab. And then you play games. All right, guys, it's time. Skee ball tournament. Comment down below. Who's the winner? Zach? Alright. Let's go. Alright guys, thank you so much for coming to downtown Norfolk with us, seeing the cruise port. We brought you to a few restaurants, we took you to Circuit Social, you saw Nauticus, you saw the Pagoda. We hope you had a good time. We hope you have things to do in Norfolk the next time you come here. Comment down below.
They don't need a recap. The only thing they need to remember is stinky skee ball.
Skee ball. So where do lily pads come from? Are they placed there by the city of Norfolk to increase frog population? Or do lily pads, how? You need to Google lily.
I'm recording.
Oh. Oh, shit. All right. Go.